Hey, hi, hello, hola, it's Aubrey here, and on this channel I share all things mastering your inner world of mindset and energetics, making money and the world your office, doing work that you love, and of course, manifestation. So in this video, I'm sharing with you 5 manifestation techniques and rituals that I personally use and that you can start doing today that make a massive impact in attracting what you want in your life. So this is part of my manifestation series where I dive in deeper into this concept and share universal principles to help you live a life that you are inspired by and completely in love with. So if these are all of the things that you're into, make sure to click that subscribe button down below so that you never miss a beat. Journaling is the first manifestation ritual and technique. There's so much science-backed research you can search on the study of journaling, showing you that it can only bring good things into your life, like improvements to your mental and physical health, memory, relationships, productivity, and processing fears and traumas, both the big and little t kind. I've been journaling since I was a teen. I still remember my first journal. It was a teal green one with Winnie the Pooh on the cover, and it had a silver lock. My journaling style has evolved since then, and manifestation journaling involves consciously and intentionally writing about what you want and your desires with the purpose of making them your reality. I like to make my manifestation ritual a vibe, setting candles, incense, and my journaling playlist, which I'll leave a link to in the description box below. There's a lot of piano jazz and there's no words, which I feel like is the most important part to the songs because it allows you to hear what's going on in your inner world. So here's my journaling setup. I've got a candle from Evermore London, my crystals, incense, cacao in my favorite mug at the moment, and my beautiful journal from Magic of I. With journaling, you'll realize your dreams and aspirations, but also have your fears and resistance that's holding you back come to light too. A journal prompt I use often that you can take for yourself is, what do I need to let go of in order to make room for what I want to come into my life? I also have my signature self journal, which includes the 4 powerful questions that uncovered my authentic self and what I wanted to create in this life. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below as well. So I'm actually an ambassador of Magic of I, so you can use my code LOVEMAGIC10 for 10% off. When affirmations are used correctly, they are so genuinely powerful. Manifesting affirmations are short, powerful statements, often beginning with I am. Their purpose is to help rewire your brain to let go of any negative self-talk and install more encouraging thoughts and beliefs. From my work with coaching leaders and business owners who are making major breakthroughs, it's majority of the time coming down to certain beliefs of not feeling worthy, capable, open to receive, or enough. So having powerful affirmations like I am worthy, I am capable, I am open to receive, and I am enough are so powerful for rewiring our brain. I listen to my personal affirmations every single morning, and it makes such a difference to my mindset and how I approach the day. And I actually create custom meditations, affirmations, and hypnosis tracks for my clients, which are definitely a favorite for them, and they see so many shifts. If you're interested in getting one of these for yourself, I'll also leave a link in the description box below. So here's a peek at one of my vision boards, and in my manifestation masterclass, I share all about how I made all of this my reality when I left my 9-to-5 in fashion and long-term relationship of nearly 9 years. My favorite is always the post-it note and what's written on there, because this became a physical manifestation for my debut book, Wonder Love, in the most unexpected but magical way. I've mentioned vision boarding in my other videos in this manifestation series because the act of creating a vision board is not only fun and inspiring, but scientific scientifically proven that when you expose your brain to these specific things, it activates your reticular activating system, your RAS, which is a bunch of neurons in our brainstem that's responsible for focus, how we ultimately perceive the world, and filters out any unnecessary information so that the important stuff gets through. Seeing something consistently signifies to your brain that, yep, this is important to me, and it allows for focus and action towards the direction of your dreams. Meditation, mental rehearsal, or any kind of mind journeys are definitely part of my morning rituals and a favorite manifestation technique to practice on the daily, with the purpose of getting into the feeling and the vibration right here, right now. This is best done as soon as we wake up or before we go to bed. Our brains are in theta state, which is what our brainwave state is in when we are tiny little tots between the ages of 0 to 7. Now, I share more about this in the Truth About Manifestation video, which you can watch here, and this is when we can start to do subconscious reprogramming or hypnotherapy, which is what I actually do. So this isn't about the magical or mystical kind of manifestation, although I am all about that, but more so science-based studies and practical meditation, which changes the brain through neuroplasticity, which is essentially the ability of the brain to form new connections and pathways and change how its circuits are wired from past experiences, the environment we grew up in, and beliefs that were installed. And finally, the last but certainly not the least of these manifestation rituals and techniques is aligned action. Aligned action, of course, in the being energy that I always speak about, being until you become. I've heard too many pieces of advice from speakers and even people close to me say, fake it until you make it, which really has never resonated with me. Becoming aware of the energy behind the actions you take is the key. Be in the energy of that powerful CEO, of a full-time business owner, of the travel creator who's getting paid to do what she loves. Be until you become. So thanks so much for joining me on this journey. Comment down below which one of these manifestation techniques or rituals resonate with you the most, or that you'll be implementing into your day-to-day life. I would absolutely love to hear. Make sure to check out my other videos in my manifestation series, and don't forget to get your complimentary manifestation pocket guide that comes with a free meditation as well. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, always sending you that groovy kind of love.